6 for the championship of the Commissioner's Cup lamang po sa serye. Gordons, 3 wins to 2. Dito naman sa umpisa ng second quarter, 1-point lead by Alaska. Binura ni Vince Hison with a straight 3-point shot. Sunod-sunod.
Partner, nagkaroon ng defensive adjustments ang Alaska, no? Si Lago, who used to be picking up Chris King, has now slid over to Vince Hison. Yet, napabayaan ni Lago, ito si Vince Hison, again from shooting that 3-point shot, unchallenged. Ito si Winyo, sa loob.
Ang ganda naman ng silip niya ni Lonnie Locsin. Kitang-kita niya yung bola at tinapik palabas. Well, sinasabi ng Gordons na tumama raw yung kay Pochwinyo bago lumabas. Tignan natin. Ito, magandang tapik ni Lonnie Locsin.
Tama yung tawag. Tama yung tawag. It should really be Alaska's ball. Ito
Hindi naman
si
tumalbog eh.
wild shot. At si Dwight Lago on the move. Hindi niya tira yon. At gumamit pa ng kaliwa.
Ang ganda naman ang rebound ni Malaki na narito kayo sa Chris King. Laban kay Bong Hawkins. Chris King on the run, scores!
Carter,
shot.
sumasaksak ito si Chris King ngayon.
Oo. 6 points by Chris King. Lahat po yan sa loob.
Maganda yata ang bangon nito ni Chris King ngayong umaga.
Sino kaya hilot ang nakagawa ng milagro para sa kanyang injury? Coach Winyo against Donnie Locsin. Pumihit na naman si Winyo. Binigay kay Dwight Lago. Fall away, Dwight Lago. Nagiging consistent na rin itong si Dwight Lago sa kanyang mga medium-range bombs.
But he's a designated spot-up shooter ng Alaska. Ito na naman si Chris King. That time ran out of space.
Oo, talaga naman dinikitan siya ng Bong Hawkins at tumulong pa si Kevin Holland para maunsumi yung tira na yun. 2-point lead by Gordons. Dwight Lago challenging the defense of Vince Hison. Pero doon naman sa kay Boyet Fernandez. Balik ulit kay Lago, off to Poch Winyo with 5 seconds on the shot clock. Winyo, headed shoulder fake, hindi makatira, and it's stolen by Vince Hison. Moment of indecision there by Alaska Milk. At ngayon, ang Gordons po ang nasa opensa, Vince Hison. Nakatingin kay Donnie Locsin. Locsin!
Kamontik na.
Oo, na-recover niya sa may kanto. 7 seconds on their shot clock. Vince Hison will put it up. Pasok na naman!
Partner, mainit ito si Vince Hison. Nabigyan siya ng pick galing kay Noli Locsin. And he was squared up for the shot. Mukha yatang hindi makasabay si Dwight Lago kay Vince Hison. No? Hison a little bit too quick for Dwight Lago.
14 points now by Vince Hison. Inside pass broken up again. Vince Hison at the helm of the attack of Gordon's Gin. Narito si Noli Locsin. 2 men on him. Bong Hawkins for the rebound. Medyo nagmadali doon ng Gordons.
Partner, maganda ang depensa ng Gordons, no? Because if you notice a few plays ago, si Poch Winyo, actually in the last several plays of Alaska, si Poch Winyo ang nagiging option nila to take the shot with the time.
Ito na naman, si Poch Winyo na naman At yun pala ang plano. Kevin Holland against Marlo Aquino had to take 2 para maipasok ang tira. But that's a good start for Kevin Holland dahil he'll have to shake off that bogeyman.
But partner, alam naman natin ito si Poch Winyo. Once he gets the ball at low post, he's not really supposed to score. He's looking for someone to pass to. At ito naman si Chris King, again continuing to attack the basket.
Alam mo, kamikaze drive ito si Chris King. Nahalata mo rin kinito na you see that si Chris King medyo nag-iingat ito. Medyo maingat din siya at biglang gumingiwi yan pagka nagkakaroon ng contact dahil he is guarding or defending that particular injury that he has. Medyo kwitaw siya dyan eh.
Ito si Chris King is an experienced player. Alam po natin naglaro na yan sa NBA for the Seattle Supersonics and Vancouver Grizzlies. So he knows what a pressure situation is like. Siguro alam din ni Chris King at kung matalo dito ang Gordon's Gin, mahihirapan na sila sa game number 7. Kaya binubuhos na niya ang lahat.
Uy, ganito si Coach Dante Silverio. Ayan ang complete sportsman, mga kaibigan. Motorsports, of course, sa basketball, sa golf, nakikita rin natin yan kung saan-saan. Good to see him again.
Coach Tim Cone not panicking at all, no? In a long stretch, hindi na pinasok si George Lastimoso. Ngayon naman, binalik na niya. Also in a long stretch, si Johnny Barrientos sitting on the bench. At 4 ang laman ng Gordon's Gin. Still, not panic time for Coach Tim Cone.
8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa second quarter. Dwight Lago at the corner, laban kay Chris King. There's a pick by Poch Winyo. Balik ulit kay Poch. Laban kay Chris King. Winyo puts it up. Wala. Chris King para sa rebound. 4-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. 7 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Isang team foul para sa Alaska. Wala pa ang Gordons. Marlo Aquino kicks it out to Ronnie Locsin. JV Gayoso. Gayoso. Jumaib on the run. Masyado matulis ang tira. And from behind, Chris King was trying to take the rebound away from Dwight Lago. Pero si Dwight Lago tatawagan ng foul. Sapagkat medyo nagkakawag yata ito. Second personal foul para kay Dwight Lago. Samantala ibabalik si Johnny Abarrientos para kay Boyet Fernandez sa panig ng Alaska Milk.
Partner, hindi nag-click yung double guard, double point guard combination ng Alaska because Gordons is clicking from the outside, no? Kaya once they click from the outside, their big men inside begin to dominate. Ito si Chris King. Yun ang sinasabi natin. He is beginning to dominate the game. Si Chris King, what a shot, 3-point play opportunity pa. Ito, panuuri natin. Yung mintis na tira, galing sa labas. At si Chris King, maganda ang kanyang galaw. Offensive rebound. Meron siyang basket, meron pa siyang bonus.
10 points now para kay Chris King as you look at Don Andres Soriano III. Alam natin na yan ang top honcho ng San Miguel Corporation, which is the sister team or the sister company or mother company of La Tondena. Siya namang nagmamayari ng Gordon's Gin dito sa Pilipinas. 30-24, 6-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. Jolas! Pasok!
Oh, that's tough defense that JV Gayoso played on Jojo Lastimosa. So nakita mo naman, ito si Jojo Lastimosa. He's a pressure player. He's been here before.
Jojo Lastimosa with only his first 2 points of the game. Good steal by Kevin Holland. Binigay kay Johnny Abarrientos. It's a 4-point lead by Gordons. Open shot for Holland. Oy, di pumasok. He puts it. Ay, pinalpal naman ni Ronnie Locsin. Marlo Aquino picks up the loose. Mabinigay kay JV Gayoso. 4-on-2. Nakita ni Gayoso si Locsin on the left hand and layup by Ronnie Locsin. Anim lang ang abante ng Gordon's Gin. Tumawag na tama sa Tim Cone. Alaska Milk. Dahil po sa ito, makikita ninyo yung palpal ni Ronnie Locsin kay Kevin Holland, and on both ends of the court bidang-bida si Ronnie Locsin dyan. Nakita ni Gayoso, sumasaksak si Ronnie Locsin at kinaliwa pa ni Ronnie to give Gordons a 6-point lead now at 32-26.
Partner, yung depensa ng Gordons, napakatindi, no? And you saw that in the type of defense that Ronnie Locsin played on Kevin Holland. Ito, shot clock with 10 seconds to go.
Lastimosa kay Kevin Ramas. Lago is open. Yun ang kailangan ng Alaska. Pagka nalilibre, yan sina Dwight Lago at sila Jojo Lastimosa, kailangan pumasok yung mga tirang yan.
At saka yung kanilang tira dapat precision play, no? At saka they should not lose their composure. Because itong type of defense na nilalaro ng Gordons ay talagang intimidating and rugged, no? It's a physical type of defense. Nahaharas yung mga shooters ng Alaska.
Pino Haresio, bukas na naman. Yes! This time, Pino Haresio makes sure that the 3-point shot falls in. At pinakamalaki kalamangan po ito ng Gordon's Gin, a 7-pointer at 35-28, 5.5 minutes remaining in the second period. Johnny Abarrientos.
Double team siya.
5 seconds on the shot clock.
Taking too long. But still, Johnny Abarrientos, ito niya naman partner. Siya nga ang most valuable player dito sa conference na
ito. Siguro ni Johnny Abarrientos, Kinito, masyado ka naman apurado. Sandali lang, meron pa tayong 2 segundo.
Saka sabi niya, confidence in me. Have faith, my child.
Samantala sa drive ni JV Gayoso, meron foul na tatawagin kay Johnny. That'll be his first personal foul at pang-apat na team foul ito para sa Alaska dito sa second quarter. Kanina po sa ating first period ay pumasok kaagad ang Gordon's Gin sa penalty. At dito naman, isa pa lamang ang team foul ng Gordons, 4 na ang sa Alaska with 5 minutes remaining in the second period. JV Gayoso misses his first free throw.
Partner, 5 minutes to go dito sa first half. Bong Hawkins sitting down. He exploded for 10 points in first period. Pero partner, parang napansin natin